Can you believe it? A whole bamboo forest just exploded because of snow. Thick snow piled onto the bamboo leaves, forcing the entire forest to bow down like it was about to collapse. But here's the terrifying part. Crack. Boom! The whole forest erupts like fireworks in a snowstorm. Bamboo can withstand wind and its own flexibility, but with too much snow weight, it bends to the max. Fucky. Until internal pressure makes it burst like a chain reaction. Natural disasters are getting worse. Let's protect our forests and our planet. Have you ever seen anything crazier? Comment below. Meant.